pé ẹlẹ́gbẹ̀gbà kí ló stọ̀ àwọn ẹlẹ́gbẹ̀gbà kí ló stọ̀ kí ní ọ̀sọ̀ rẹ̀ ní French training but it's a normal thing dáhùn sí náà ní now dáhùn sí bíbá yìí we actually basic on freelancing and what do I mean by freelancing? Freelancing is a self-employed, you can say a self-employed. Having been a self-employed, then ó yàtọ̀ sí pé kí wọ́n hire yẹn sí ibi company kan kí wọ́n bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ kọ́ ẹ pé company kan nìyẹn wọ́n bá wá ṣiṣẹ́. But as a freelancer, you have access to different companies out there. So na one pay ni pé as a self-employed, whereby you are able to do it to keep yourself busy on something and you can work with different company entirely. Do you understand? So you get me? Táwọn pè ní freelancer ni ẹ pé kéèyàn dá dúró kéèyàn lè dá dúró fún ẹ. Ẹ̀rí bá ṣe ń wá sọ́fíìsì sí báyìí nǹkan lóko ló ní PC rẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ ń bá different people ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ bá rí ẹni sì wọ́n reply message kan pé àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́. So like they can start working for different people out there, different countries. So you understand? But tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n gbàyàn ṣiṣẹ́ ni on a normal tradition way of employment tó máa gbà yín ṣiṣẹ́ so o ní láti kọ́kọ́ máa wá sí iṣẹ́ láàárọ̀ bóyá bí by 7 o gbọ́dọ̀ débi iṣẹ́ ẹ bá wà ní oṣù báńkì yẹn o gbọ́dọ̀ débi iṣẹ́ kan náà lọ́dọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe wọ́n á dẹ̀ lò yẹn bí bóyá bí 5 ni or 6 ìgbà mi àwọn ẹlòmíì close 7 ní bank right so but eléyìí báyìí is a self-employed whereby you can also have freedom to anything so those are in that way the freelancing yẹn. So our freelancers in báyìí àwa náà ni àwọn pè pé we are person. There is a difference between freelancing and freelancer. So freelancing is a process by which you are being employed yourself, or is a self-employed. While freelancer is a person, and you don't see any freelancer. So you understand? Now, before you become a freelancer, before you can become a freelancer, you must have two things. The first one is you must have a tools. Kí ni a pè ní tools? Irinṣẹ́ tí èèyàn ti ń ṣiṣẹ́. Kí ni part of àwọn tools ta ní táwà gangan tí à ń lò? Laptop wà ńbẹ̀, phone wà ńbẹ̀, and data connections, right? Laptop is there, phone is there, power bank is there. Like these are the tools that we actually use as a freelancer. You understand? Now. Platform first one money tools ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì you must have a digital skills. Kí ni à ń pè ní digital skills? Àwọn digital skills ni pé àwọn iṣẹ́ téèyàn lè ṣe in an exchange of money because kẹ́ tó bá client ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ ní nǹkan kan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe fún kí client sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan báyìí lọ́dọ̀ yín o. Kí ni àwọn digital skills yẹn? We have web developer, we have a digital marketer, we have a data analyst, we have graphic designers, and so on and so forth. You know, we also have an ebook writing. We have an ebook writing. So and different digital skills. So you understand? Now, tabati one digital skills. You know that you need to start to digital skills. Web development. The next thing now is to go. We have different type of freelancing platform. Freelancing platform yẹn mẹ́ta òní wọ́n wà recognized all over the world tó wà recognized like wọ́n lò ju mẹ́ta ni. We have Fiverr, one. We have Upwork, two. And we have freelancer.com. Freelancer.com. We have 3 type of freelancing platform. We have number 1 is what? Fiverr. Number 2 is what? Upwork. Number 3 is what? Freelancing.com. So these are the 3 recognized freelancing platform. Now, freelancing platform yìí tá bá sọ pé kí ni àwọn freelancing platform yìí kí ni báwo ló ṣe jẹ́? Báwo gangan ni àwọn freelancing platform yìí jẹ́? Now, freelancing platform yìí ó dàbí normal ọjà téèyàn máa ń lọ ni. Ní Àkúrẹ́ ńsìn báyìí a ní ọjà kan tí wọ́n ń pè ní sásá tí ẹ rí ní ẹmọ̀ kò téèyàn bá dọ́jà àwọn èèyàn méjì lèèyàn máa ń bá lọ́jà báyà làwọn tó wá ra ọjà sẹ́là làwọn tó wá sí gidi tó wá tajà. You understand? àwọn 2 category of people téèyàn máa ń rí nìyẹn. Àwọn other one àwọn major kìíní nìyẹn o. So now Fiverr is also like a market space where 2 category of people connect together. Connection. A lè pè ní connection. So connect together to have a particular project to work on. Fiverr yẹn ó dàbí market space ní gbígbìyàn bá lọ sí market náà ni. Tẹ́ bá ti dé market, tẹ́ bá ti dé ọ̀dọ̀ Fiverr yìí, ẹ máa ní láti create profile yìí. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ profile yẹn? Gbígbìyàn bá ń create shop náà ni, gbígbìyàn bá ní shop. Téèyàn fẹ́ lọ rent shop. So that means that as you are opening your profile on Fiverr, that means that you are also, it's also a way of having a shop. Because tẹ́ bá ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe create gig yín sí máa yìí, ẹ rí pé àpèyàn kan ní gig. Kí là ń pè ní gig? Òun náà ni product tẹ́ ń tà, nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ tà, ẹ ti pàtẹ ọjà bẹ́yẹn. Gig kan tẹ́ create báyẹn, ẹ ti pàtẹ ọjà. So ẹ ti wà ní market space bẹ́yẹn, which is what we call a market space, where the 2 category of people, you set your profile as what? As a seller. Ẹ set profile yín bí kíni o? Bí ẹni tó fẹ́ tajà, ẹ fẹ́ tajà ni. So tó bá yá sí báyìí máa rá àwọn message, tí wọ́n máa message yín ní mail, wípé àwọn fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan báyìí, àwọn fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan báyìí, àwọn fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan báyìí, which are what? Which is buyer. Anybody can come to you, like regardless of the countries, they can come to you that they want to work, and which is why we call it Fiverr. So Fiverr is a market space where 2 category of people connect together as what? In order to have a specific project to work on, which is called what? Fiverr. There are category of people. Àwọn mélòó la máa ń sọ? Buyers and what? And seller. Now, a tún wá lè pè Fiverr ní, a tún lè pè wọ́n ní third party system. We can also call it third party system. Third party system. Now, a máa ń pè yẹn kan ní scouting. A máa ń pè yẹn kan ní scouting. Kí là ń pè ní scouting? Scouting kan wà bí kéèyàn mọ a way of looking for a buyer in different platform. It may be through social media, it may be Fiverr, it may be anything. Tẹ́bálẹ̀ yàn scout fún nǹkan, you are searching for something. You are trying to look for something. Bí gbìyànjú bá èèyàn on wá nǹkan ni. Ìjẹ́ pé ní scouting yẹn. Now, on this scouting now, téèyàn bá wá scout tó wá scout fún buyer, you are scouting for buyer. Ó wá padà rí buyer yẹn. Buyer yẹn ó lè mọ́ fẹ́ gbà pé kéèyàn ó transact ní directly. Ó máa fẹ́ a third party system that can hold both of you as an agreement, which is either Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancers.com. La fi máa ń gbé wọn ní third party system. Tẹ́ bá ti scout fún buyer yẹn, tẹ́ bá fẹ́ sọ fún pé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ close deal yìí, in order to have a trust for both of you, tó yẹ pé ẹnìkan nu yóò ní jálágbèdá, ẹnìkan nu yóò ní jálágbèdá, ẹ kàn máa sọ fún pé now I will actually like you if I can introduce you to a third party system. Tó bá yẹ pé Fiverr lè fẹ́ introduce ẹ lọ ni, ẹ máa connect ẹ mọ Fiverr, ẹ máa create gig fún, ẹ máa send the offers, ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sẹ́yìn. Ṣé understand bẹ́ẹ̀? So tàbí pè ní third party system nìyẹn. Ṣé understand bẹ́ẹ̀? Sọ̀rọ̀ mi yé wa. Now, so Upwork, Fiverr, the same thing applicable to Upwork now. But Upwork, into Upwork can be yàtọ̀ ní pé Upwork is a contract-based system, while Fiverr is a gig or a per project system. Onkaluku ló ní differences wọn. Ṣé understand? Onkaluku ló ní Upwork yàtọ̀ sí Fiverr, but wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ as the same thing náà ni freelancing platform náà ni wọ́n, but wọ́n yàtọ̀ síra wọn. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi yé wa. Now, níbi Upwork kì í sì máa dábàá tó pé Upwork kì í sì máa contract ní bí ṣiṣẹ́, contract ní pay by contract and then per hour. Tẹ́ bá ṣe 1 hour, wọ́n sì máa ń sọ pé $10 or $20 per hour. But ní Fiverr sì báyìí per project ni wọ́n lè sọ pé iṣẹ́ kan, ó lè sọ pé wọ́n san gbogbo iṣẹ́ kan, iṣẹ́ tó yẹ pé ó lè cost ní bóyá bí 5 hours or 6 hours. 10 multiply rẹ̀ bóyá bí 10 multiply rẹ̀ by hours tẹ́ bá lò. In fact, iṣẹ́ mi wà tó yẹ kó máa ń take ní bóyá bí 24 hours. Tẹ́ máa multiply rẹ̀ by ilé tẹ́ bá lò. But ní Fiverr, it is per project. Má kàn sọ pé ókè o, gbogbo tàbí tí mo lè san fún gbogbo kíní yìí, ojú á rí $100 lọ. ìdúró yá bí $100 lọ ìdúró yá bí $100 lọ you understand? So that's the difference between Upwork and Fiverr. So onkaluku ló ní system tẹ̀ fi run platform wọn onkaluku ló ní disadvantages àti kíni o àti advantages wọn irú Upwork kí n sì máa yí Upwork bó ṣe lé tó now as a beginner mo máa advise àwọn èèyàn pé if you want to start a freelancing platform, okay, I always tell people that start with Fiverr because Fiverr is very simple and it is very easy to navigate. Ó dùn ún ṣe, ó dùn ún set up. Tẹ́ bá wo Upwork kí n sì máa criteria wọn ti pọ̀ jù because wọ́n máa béèrè pé tó bá ti fẹ́ máa send proposal wọ́n á sọ pé wọ́n á ní kó submit wọ́n á ní kéèyàn ra connect yẹn kàn dàbí káàdì náà ni connect Upwork ni ẹ o connect yẹn kàn dàbí airtime náà ni téèyàn bá ní airtime èèyàn lè ṣe kí ni èèyàn lè pè so the same thing applicable to connect if you want to send a proposal on Upwork you must have a connect so but I always tell people that start with Fiverr because Fiverr you don't need to be sending connect or anything in as much you can able to create your gig perfectly then you create gig yẹn dáadáa tó dẹ̀ fún ní àwọn other strategy bóyá fún ranking stuff then lè padà lè ṣe you can get job at any time you can get job at any time ṣe understand me so that's like mo fi sọ pé ẹni kí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe create account yẹn kò take time yín but tó bá yẹ kí ó pọ̀ kí ní sí máa yí ẹ wọ́n á ní ẹsẹ̀ máa fi id card sí ẹsẹ̀ máa ṣe lé ẹsẹ̀ máa ṣe yẹn so it's always very hard to start when it comes to Upwork but as a beginner you can also start with what with Fiverr you understand so that's why mo máa ń sọ pé start with Fiverr I think mo kàn fi refresh brain náà ni òwòyá ó ti clear bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe any question? Is there any question?
No.